And welcome to your Monday edition of the Week Ahead for Financial Markets. Mike Smith, Go Markets, Head of Client Education Training and Senior Analyst, with you to lead you around the key things that are going to move sentiment this week. We've identified 5 market moving factors which we think are worth keeping an eye on. Of course, the first one to start with is the major drop in the indices over the last 2 or 3 weeks. We were hitting record highs not that long ago, but we hit correction territory in the S&P 500 and have been in correction on the Nasdaq for the last week. We saw a big bounce on Friday, which could have been some short covering, but key levels are significantly under pressure despite Friday's relief or short covering rally. Be interested to see how we go. US debt being the narrative, obviously Trump's tariffs in the news daily, and tariff turmoil causing potential trade wars between the US and just about everybody else, resulting in significant political fallout as well as market fallout. So it is the key factor behind the drop we've seen in the major indices, and certainly keep an eye on those headlines. Expect more volatility ahead. Of course, we have the Fed rate decision this week. Not that there's any doubt that they will pause. What will be interesting is what they telegraph going forward. At this stage, the markets are pricing in a June rate cut potentially. So anything from the subsequent press conference that gives guidance on that is likely to be market influential. Quite simply, gold 3,000 looks imminent. Let's have a look at a chart. We saw new record highs hit last week, and you can see how close we are to 3,000. This candle you can see here actually topped 3,000 for the first time. We are slightly up in Asia today, around about 29.89 as we record this. It looks as though a trend continuation is in play. The continued weakness on the US dollar is playing into this. And finally, oil remains under pressure. We had a key level tested then last week, possible breach this week. Buyers did come in for a couple of days, but we are at the bottom of a short-term range at the base of a downwards trend channel. So oil could push below what essentially is a 2-year low, one to keep an eye on. So that's it for now. So don't forget, we'd run our live market updates at 12:30 live every day. And of course, we have our Inner Circle session on Wednesday, which will be wonderful to see you at. Finally, most importantly, we're always here to help. If you have anything at all that you need to talk to us about, just give us a call. The support team will gladly help you with whatever you need. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.